Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. In case you don't know, Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They also have a store now. If you are already a subscriber to Stitch Fix, you can also purchase items individually. Or you can wait and you can schedule a style box. The style box you can schedule on demand. You can schedule monthly, quarterly, etc. So it's, even though it's a subscription service, it doesn't have to be. It can be on demand. And you can switch around the dates that you're getting the Stitch Fix. Like, so 1 month you can request it and you say monthly, and then you might change your mind, say, yeah, you know, I'm kind of going through withdrawal. You can schedule it up. I was just given the Style Pass, or renewed for my Style Pass. I guess I am one of those customers they found profitable and decided to give me the Style Pass. That Style Pass is $49 a year. It offers me unlimited fixes. I get free shipping both ways. Send back what I don't want, and I don't have to pay for it any which way. So, I think everyone else knows the deal of Stitch Fix. Buy 5, you get 25% off. I don't do that. I try and be very conservative as to what I add to my wardrobe. So generally speaking, I do pay full price. But I do have to say, I think Stitch Fix prices tend to be actually a little bit lower for the name brands that I'm shopping for. So I tend to purchase Liverpool, Kut, Sanctuary, and they're either the same price that Nordstrom has, or possibly, especially with Liverpool, like $10 cheaper. All right, so let's go through the items my stylist sent. The first item that she sent is the Kut From The Kloth Meg high-rise wide leg, and I guess they're pant is what you call them. So I tried on these very similar in a more brownish color. They're referring these to on here as khaki. Kut refers to them as stone. I would describe them more as khaki. They're a size 0 and they're $98, which again, I think is, I'll have to go look online. Well, actually, I can't look on, can I look online? Yeah, I can look online and see what they go for there. But usually I think Kut pants and stuff now typically like run like $109, you know? So I think it's about $10 cheaper than where I would probably get it anywhere else. So I would refer to these as a khaki color. They have the regular patch pockets here in the back. The front have it's like a 5-pocket styling here in front, but look at the detail on these, all right? They have seaming detail all the way down the leg and across the one knee. Very soft fabric, very, very stretchy. Let me tell you what it's made out of. 55% cotton, 27% polyester, 13% lyocell, 3% spandex, 3% viscose, 2% spandex. And yeah, I mean, it's a lot of polyester, so it makes them very stretchy. But I really do like these, and it is a good possibility I'm going to keep them. All right, so I have brownish pants. I don't have any kind of like this kind of color, I don't think. I'll take a look and compare these to my closet to make sure I don't have anything similar, but I don't think I do. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards these. Plus, the style now is this wider leg, looser fit, flat shoes, and I'm kind of moving towards that direction because it also kind of fits into my work from home lifestyle as well, right? Why do I need to wear heels if I'm not going anywhere? All right, next up are these Kut From The Kloth jeans. Now these are Stitch Fix exclusives, so they say. Let me explain to you what these are. These are the Kut From The Kloth Kelsey high-rise ankle flare jeans in indigo, size 0. Oh, sorry, the Meg were 104. These are 98, okay? So $98, yes, it's a lot for jeans. Let me tell you what this is made out of. But those are the types of jeans I tend to like. 98% cotton. No, can't read this. Cannot read this. 94% cotton. I think it's 93% cotton, 6% polyester, 1% spandex. Not easy to read. So again, 5-pocket styling. They're the kick flare. The hem is raw on this, which I don't mind because if they end up being a little bit too long, I can bring them to my dry cleaner. No, I won't attempt to cut them myself. Bring them to my dry cleaner and have them cut for me. Yeah, so yeah, these are a possibility too, mainly because I have a pair of Kick Flare, but they're in a light wash by Cosmic Blue Love that I got from a Stitch Fix just a couple months ago. And I have plenty of straight full length jeans, but I don't have many Kick Flare. And again, that's kind of like the style now, so you can like show off your shoes. So these are a possibility. Okay. Next up, these were on my wish list. So the first two items I picked in my preview. These were on my wish list and my stylist sent them to me. They're the Liverpool utility crop with tab, hem, and cargo, and they're calling this color gray. Now, I put these on my wish list because I thought, oh, those are different, and they are different, okay? Let me show them up too close. See, it's a plaid, and I would say that's like a taupe color background, and I would say it's a brownish color stripe, and then black. So I would say you could probably get away with brown, black, or beige wearing these pants. And of course you can also wear a collar too, but I probably wouldn't. I would stick to those colors personally with this, but then again, I'm more of a neutral person. These also have a nice feel, as most Liverpool pants do. These pants are 74% polyester, 22% viscose, 4% elastane, okay? They have the I think they're called besom pockets here in the back. They're definitely pockets. They're just sewn shut. They have the side slash pockets, and then they have the cargo here down on the leg. And I believe, based on looking at the length, they're a crop style. And you see they have like a tab bottom, which, let's see. Yes, you can undo this and make them tighter on the bottom if you wish. So these are interesting. I like them. Not sure I love them. The price on these Liverpool, if I didn't say it already, $109. So, you know, I'll try them on. I'll give my fair judgment on them. But for $109, right now, they're not screaming by me. All right? So I'm really trying to only add things that I really love and be regretting. Oh, man, why did I send that back? Type in my closet. Okay, next up is the 9 Britton Katniss cowl neck blouse in black, extra small, $39. I did not request this. Without even, I'm not even gonna look at the label. Willing to bet money, it's 100% polyester. I don't even think there is any stretch in this, but let's see, just for giggles here. Yeah, it's 100% polyester. Let's discuss this blouse. Now, looking at it, it looks huge, all right? To me, it looks huge. Maybe it's not huge. Maybe I'm going to be a liar and put it on. It's going to be too tight. But looking at it, it just looks like boxy and shapeless. Meanwhile, I can see right through the camera to you guys. I am not going to wear a camisole underneath, so we can all look to see how sheer this particular top is. It has the cowl neck style, and yeah, I would say it's $39 Stitch Fix's price, and yeah, there's no way I'm keeping this. I'm kind of like over polyester. Matter of fact, sometime this weekend I'm going to do a video of what's on my shopping list for fall and what it is I'm cutting out of my closet. And I'm pretty much cutting out most of polyester. Not everything, but most. I'm just kind of like over the polyester blouse thing. All right, next up, something that was sort of on my wish list. Whoops. Just dropped the blouse, is this Michael Stars dress. Now, let's see if I can get it the right way. It is a bodycon dress, as most Michael Stars dresses are. It has a little mock neck here. It kind of has the, it's not a strong shoulder. What would you call this? Almost like a muscle shoulder, like a muscle sleeve. And then it's got all this ruching down the side, and as most Michael Stars dresses are, you can see the ripped. I asked for this in a burnt orange / brown color. Sometimes they call it burnt orange, sometimes they say brown. And there were 2 different dresses similar to this, very similar, that I wanted. And my stylist wrote in her note that she could not find that color. Navy was the best she could do. So she sent this along, so that's okay, because even if I don't want the navy, I can send it back, and at least I know if I like the dress, and then maybe I could purchase the dress on my own in freestyle. This is the Michael Stars G-Rib Power Shoulder. The Power Shoulders, they are calling it a Power Shoulder. In navy, extra small, $108. So, that is my fix. Let's do a try on and see what we think. Okay, first up, I will talk about the blouse. It is huge, as I suspected. you can probably, anybody can kind of see if like I bent over or whatever, my whole bra kind of shows. I mean, I know blouses are supposed to be blousey and loose, but there's like a lot of room in this. I'll untuck it so you can see the length on it. All right, it is also quite long, but again, I'm only 5'2". So if you do like this blouse, it is a little bit different with the cowl neck, and you're in between sizes. I would say size down. I don't necessarily think you can go whole size down in this, but if you are in between sizes, this would be a good one to go with the lower size. It's not a see-through. When it's on, I'm wearing a new color bra, and I don't think you can see through it, but it is very, very thin, okay? Again, I don't go to an office, I work from home. I do like an elevated casual look, but I think I would wear more of these things with like a mock neck sweater type of thing. The pants, I do like them. I was looking at the crotch area and want to make sure the crotch looked okay. So I am gonna look back at the footage. I thought I was doing something kind of strange down there. I want to make sure it's not. This is the back of them. Again, I'm going to look at the footage to make sure I like them. I do like the length. I like how they feel on me. They're very soft and stretchy, great from working from home. Don't want things too stretchy because jeans and stuff, pants kind of keep me accountable with my weight. But yeah, these are nice. I really like them. Again, they have the seam detail down here and across here. And I would say they come right to the top of my ankle bone. And I am 5'2" for reference, and I don't mind them this length at all. So give me your opinions on these, and again, I'm gonna also look back at the footage myself and make that decision. And again, here's the back, okay? And yeah, give me a minute and I'll pop on the jeans. Next are the cut jeans, which I kept with the same blouse on. I figured why bother changing the blouse. So these just come to the top of my ankle, and I think I would have to have them altered a little bit and cut. You guys let me know, and let me know in the comments below if I should get these a little bit trimmed on these. Extremely comfortable, and like I said, the style now are flats, and I don't have that many shorter pants, so I'm kind of leaning towards these. Although I'm starting to pare down my closet too and switch things out. So I'm kind of leaning towards these. They're very comfortable. I only have one pair of kick flare and they're in a lighter wash. I got a couple of full length straight, but yeah, none of these kick flare. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I think I would regret sending these back if I do send them back. If I do send them back, I think I would regret it. So I'm really leaning towards these. I gotta look at the footage for the tan pants. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try on the plaid pants. Well, damn it, these are super cute. So never judge something until you put it on. So, you know, I was looking at these and there was something about them that I didn't like. I mean, I didn't like them. They just weren't sparking joy. But when I put them on, I think these are adorable. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But I just think these are so cute and different, and I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. So now I'm really, really confused as to what I should do. So again, they're super soft. These are buttons here, and they are working pockets here on the side. They're a wider, looser leg with a cuff. No, just a banded bottom, which you can make tighter if you want. They are an ankle length, and I actually think they are hitting me in the right spot. I decided to put them on with my black loafers, and this is my open edit sweater that I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I took away that loose baggy blouse because that's not how I'd wear it. I threw a belt on, and this is exactly how I would wear these pants. And they're comfy, stretchy, and I think I want them. And because they're so different than anything else that I own and kind of just different overall, I think I need to get them before I lose them. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think these look cute, or are they just a little bit too strange? But I don't know, I think I can wear brown or black with these, or beige. And yeah, I like them a lot. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna pop on the dress. That's the last item. Okay, I'm debating about this dress. I do wear bodycon dresses, but I'm wondering if this one emphasizes my hips a little bit too much. I'm also trying to debate whether the fabric is too thin down here, so I will be looking at the footage to make sure it's not see-through. In the mirror, it looks see-through, but maybe it's not here. You guys also let me know.
there is a lot of ruching on it, and I do like Michael Starr's dresses. This is like the only bodycon dress, that and Tarte, that I can wear, because when you put a lot of ruching strategically, you can fold these things up so your tummy doesn't show so much. And I'm not wearing shapewear with this. Here is the back of it. And I wanted this in like a burnt orange / cognac brown, and I imagined wearing my black boots with it and accessories. And yeah, this is how I would have styled it. But let me know your thoughts. Do you think I should ask her for it in a brown? Do you maybe even think I should keep the navy and forego the brown? You think navy might be a better color? I do have a Michael Starr's tank dress in black, but I kind of consider it more of a summer dress. And this one, because it has like the neck on this, I consider this more of like a fall dress. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I think this was a really, really good stitch fix for me. The only thing I didn't like was the blouse. That was $39. I'm not gonna keep it. It'd be way too much for me to keep everything. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, what you would keep. I'm thinking of keeping definitely the plaid pants, because I think they're cute and unique. I'm debating on the other two pants, and I'm probably going to send this back and ask for it next time in brown. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. And you guys take care and have a good time.